either a good idea or a real idiot idea. Place your bets now, folks. Well, good morning from the ridge.
Good some part of the day.
Okay, yeah, it's been a busy morning. We're getting started way later than we wanted to, but that's okay. We're still gonna work. And we are back working on the tiny house or the YouTube studio. Words are hard. So we are going to start with this wall right here. I was gonna put an extra window in it, but we're gonna save that for a future project. So stay tuned for that.
So yeah, so this will be a nice, easy, solid wall, just like the other ones. We'll throw that up, and then she's got to draw out because this back wall, this end gable wall here is gonna have a door and a big window, and then the other section of wall over there. And the reason, in case anybody's inquiring, right, this thing's 24 foot long. The mill is only 16 foot, so we're doing it in 12-foot wall sections because the whole thing's 24. And well, that's the size lumber we have, guys. So we'll still have the double sill plate. It's gonna go over like it should to overlock the seams. But yeah, I know my brain was asking already, why are we doing this in 12 foot? Because that's as long as lumber we can get.
All right, well, we're gonna get to work, so come along with us. See what we get done.
Go.
Okay, we've got to take a break so I can do some measuring and design this window.
Probably just because they're.
Okay, lunch break, y'all. Our brains hurt.
Let's yawn.
Then we can keep our, well, if we do 3, that keeps our 16 on center on the bottom for like, and I think that's fine, right?
Okay.
Pick up at all. Get me underneath. Here, let me see if I can do it.
I just can't get my fingers under it. Oh wait, hold on. Got it?
Yeah, step out of it.
Whew. Ah,
That one's got some
weight to it, yeah.
What we're gonna have to do is kind of like we did with that other one, is just measure.
Will you screw in a board on the side?
Going this way.
Yeah.
Right at 12 feet, right there. So.
ratchet strap and ratchet this together at the top. And at least just get it
Well,
tight.
we need to see, because I think this whole wall is leaning this
I
way.
do too.
So,
That's why I said if we ratchet strap that wall to these two studs, we can pull it together and then we can tighten from both sides. This is either a good idea or a real idiot idea. Place your bets now, folks. I just did ratchet strap them together.
well, you can't just do it on the end. You gotta have enough to ratchet.
Okay, it's tight. With the faces.
Well, we can adjust that. They're tight up there. It's just the bow of the boards. So we're gonna have to.
The bottom is not.
I mean, that's the only thing. Is this.
Top before
All right. Well, that top thing. Go with that. Which we can add some more going to the inside if we want it. Now what I want to do is try to pull this whole wall, at least measure, from this end, even on the side of the window or something, to tilt this way of the whole wall.
Wow, I'm trying more, but okay, right there.
Whatever.
Those are some crappy
There's crap.
Dead on. Looks good. Yeah, we're gonna need stairs. Need stairs. You help me out, baby. Big booty Judy needs a boost. One. How you doing this? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
You got paid a toll for coming on.
We are out of wood. So you know what that means.
Got a mill.
We got to jump on the mill. But that's going to end it for us for today. So we will see you tomorrow. And just like that,
Boom.
We're back.
Sawmill time.
time to get on the sawmill, guys. Come with us.
That's how it's did, folks. How's it going, tractor operator lady? texting while tractoring? Oh, she's sneaky and she has earbuds in. I found the way she's gonna ignore me now.
Baby.
Okay, sure.
How'd I do?
Oh, now she wants to talk to me. It's on her own terms. Rude. Gotta look on the back side. So, 2 nuts and 2 bolts and a really hot exhaust. We're at a point we can adjust this. I love my life.
I heard it ting. Did you just drop it?
No, I dropped the other 2 nuts though.
Get her done?
Yep. All right. Back to sawmilling.
Must be our day for issues. So popped a blade. It snapped. So Jason's gonna run you guys through on how to get that fixed.
Super fun times. I ran this blade probably a couple 2 cuts longer than I should have. I've noticed that when it starts getting stringy on the outshoot side, it's time to change the blade. But in my stubbornness, I said, no, it'll be fine. It's not fight. So, Mama's gonna run up and get us some more blades. I'll show you how to put them on in a minute.
Yes, she used to work there years ago. Gotta get up at 3 in the fucking morning. You know how I am. I barely get to sleep. Plus the pay is
Alright, it goes on. We'll put the tension and make sure it follows, and back away we go. Tension feels good, so we'll put this back together. Your height when then the two of us come in, that doesn't work.
I don't know. It's already going. So
Doing the
it's doing its thing. All right. We had a great day on the mill.
We did. We got a lot of the rafter boards cut, which is what we wanted to have, and we got one 4x4 post.
For my deck.
Couple pieces of 1x that'll be for siding, and a whole bunch of 2x4s. We still need to do some more 2x4s, but we still have a decent sized pile, and
It's whatever the logs tell us they want us to turn it into. And then Jake got home from work, so score, he got to help too. Everyone say hi, Jake. We miss you, Jake.
Hi. Hi.
They do. They really do miss you. But
He's
you know.
still alive, guys. I
Yeah.
promise.
Yeah. My baby boy.
I'm just working.
I know. But we're gonna end this one right here, guys. We've still got some more milling to do because we want to be able to just knock it out, right? We don't want to have to stop again because that just takes an extra day and then it just sits for another day.
Yeah, so tomorrow's probably gonna be another day of milling because we need more of the 2x6s because we're doing true 2-inch by 6-inch for our rafters.
Yeah.
For the roof. And then everything else is we're just cutting it like store-bought dimensional because insulation and stuff like that later on is going to be easier. So but yeah, so we'll pretty much mill
All day tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel.
Get a nice stockpile of lumber because we're going to need quite a bit. This last wall has like, it's the smallest wall and it has the most stuff.
Yep, sure does.
There's a door and a window, so we have all the headers and
maybe not overbuild it, maybe just adequately build it. I don't know. But we'll check you guys out later. Thank you for being a part of us, and yeah, we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out from the ridge.
Later.